Sitting on the southern part of Mactan Island, Cordova is a coastal municipality located approximately 19.4 kilometers away from the busy city of Cebu. This beautiful town is home to both natural and man-made tourist attractions, rich culture, and exotic cuisine. When the pandemic started in 2020, its municipal officials thought of reviving the economy of the place by launching 2 tourism packages, one of which we are going to experience in today's episode of My Destination. My name is Andrea Pateña-Matheu. Join me as I sing with the Mangroves. Cordova is a third-class municipality with 11 coastal barangays, 1 inland, and the island barangay of Hilutungan. It also has jurisdiction over the islets of Nalusuan, Shell, Lava, Tongo, and Kaluking. Both Nalusuan and Hilutungan have marine sanctuaries, which are favorite diving and snorkeling spots of foreign and local tourists. To get to this town, you can go through 2 routes from Lapu-Lapu City. One is through Barangays Babag and Canhulao via the Pilipog-Babag Bridge, or through Barangay Suba-Basbas and Marigondon via the Gabi-Suba-Panas Bridge. Cordova was once a barangay of Lapu-Lapu City when it was still referred to as the municipality of Opon. The natives of the place used to call their town Dayas, a legendary acronym which means settlements. To learn more about the history and culture of the town, you can visit their museum beside the Municipal Hall, where you can find different artifacts from the place such as jars, old furniture, and religious items. Aside from popular resorts, the town is also known for famous tourist spots such as Lantau floating restaurants and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 8001, 8002, 8003 9,995, 9,996, 9,997, and 9,998, 9,999, 10,000 roses! Here they serve different drinks and delicious food items, such as pizza, pasta, and cheesy fries or nachos, which you can enjoy while savoring the majestic view of Cebu City skyscrapers. It's also right next to the foot of the Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway, or otherwise known as Cebu's Third Bridge. For those who'd prefer an exotic dining experience, Entoy's Bakasihan is the perfect place for you. Wow, thank you!
There you go. So when it comes to food, Cordova is always associated with its nilarang nga bakasi or sour stew with saltwater reef eel, which thrives abundantly in the area. And the oldest and most famous bakasihan places here in Cordova is Entoy's Bakasihan, which was even featured in one of the episodes of Netflix Street Food Asia. Actually, I've already tried their bakasi, but it was the fried version. So masayon to siya kaunon because pwede nimong apilon og usapang bukog. So this is actually my first time to try the nilarang bakasi. I've already tried nilarang before, but it was another kind of fish. So for the nilarang bakasi, this will be ticked off my bucket list today. So atong tilawan, and this is also best served with rice or mais. There you go. Kung tilawan sa ang sabaw. Namiaw eh. So ayan na nato. So I've learned, nagpatudlo usa ko. Unsaon pagkaon sa bakasi mismo kay medyo tricky siya because unlike other kinds of fish, nipis mong gud iyang unod. So kinahanglan nimo siya i-scrape off, and it's best eaten with your hands. So should di mag-inarte, no? So ana siya. O ano tong tinain. There you go. So dapat jud magkinamot. Kit-kiton jud na ni day paduol daw sa baba. Da. Mauna jud ko mo kaog bakasi. Lami. So there you have it. If you are up for something extraordinary, if you want to try something new, make sure that you stop over here at Entoy's Bakasihan whenever you have a chance to visit Cordova. Bring your family and friends. It's highly recommended. Okay.
Beda, Entoy's daughter-in-law, is among the ones running the place now, and they have started experimenting with new recipes such as the bakasi sisig.
Kini Entoy's Bakasihan, ma'am, kanang nag-start ni siya atong 2007. Nya gamay pa kay ni siya sa una, din naamay kanang nag-suggest ni Papa si Papa sa una kay mamalitay ra na siya bakasi. Din naman siya yung mga amigo ba ni suggest nga i-try ko na nato nga maglarang ta or magtuwa. So mato nga nagigikuan ni Papa kay gitry ni Papa ba. Na mao man to nga na naman siya daghang nangari kay giganahan man labi pas ka ng mga hubog nya. Oh kay ganahan sa mahigop og sabaw sa bakasi. Mo to hantod nga murag ni click gid siya. Mo na ni siya karon. Wa na mas Papa karon. Mo ni gipasa na ni namong mga anak, kami ng mga anak ang nagdala ni karon.
The bakasi is caught through a local fish trap which residents call bantak.
Muning banta.
Ablihan ni siya. Nasa paon nga katong mga kinhason nga ang pangalan Litob. Bukon man to siya nya ibutang diri ana sudlan ni siya mga tulo ka buok. Ibutang nya dayon itabon og balik. Nya area na siya ana bukne na siya ana. Nya usukan siya og katong kuayan pari ato ba na sa unahan.
Para mo ugsok.
O para di siya maanod. Para di siya maanod.
Asa man mo lusot ang bakasi ana?
Ari diri kini sa lubot. Ada sulod. Ato pa sulod na.
Buhi pa ni sila.
Oh, ngita tagbuhat. Ana siya. Ana siya musud Musud na siya nya. Din amin siya kagawas kay kini asa kalinis man ni siya ang kining lubot na siya murag ka ng harang ba.
Kanin siya.
Nasa harang niya.
So na-trap na siya sa
Na-trap na siya.
So mga pila ka buok ang maximum nga bakasi nga masud ug ingon ani sir?
Naay tulo na upat o lima. Ana siya musud.
So daghan mo gibutang ilatag sa
Daghan. Gusto ka magunit? Ana lang.
Ay, wala magdangog sir. Oy, mamaak.
Dangog.
Dili mamaak bitaw?
Dili, ana ba?
No,
sige, sige.
naman ingipon.
Dili man kayo na sa kuan, kusog mo paak. Makuratan lang ka. Dili ang kusog mo paak ba, makuratan lang ka.
Hala, uy, watlok kong COVID.
Sige, sige, itry. Depende sa madani mo nag-ana.
Masig malabay na ko sa dagat.
Dili.
Kailan kong patay, be.
Sige, ana imong kamo ta, ana. Ikabo ba ana?
No, uy.
Sige.
Di man ka mamaa.
Dili lagi.
Patay, ha?
Dili lagi.
No, uy. Buhi mong kayo ni tanawon, sir, we.
Dili lagi. Sige.
Talawan kay ko, mga yunani. Namo nagbuka, mong gudi ang babo.
Dili ra, sige. Testing. Testing.
Di man kay ko mong gunit og od.
Lagi na mak. Dili lagi, yana lang makamat. Sige, ana. Oh, nakakuha na ka.
To give thanks for the town's abundance of bakasi and other marine resources in the area and to honor their patron saint, Señor San Roque, they celebrate their Dinagat sa Bakasi Festival every August, but last year's event was done virtually due to the pandemic. Another famous food spot in Cordova is located at the Centennial Road, where different food stalls line up serving various kinds of Filipino street food. Now let's explore the town's latest tourism package, Sing with the Mangroves, which you can find in their official website. The package is priced at 570 pesos per head, which includes food, a souvenir, environmental fees, boat rental, and land transportation. Make sure to coordinate with Cordova's tourism office first before booking because the tour can only be done during high tide. This tour starts with an orientation at the Mangrove Propagation and Information Center. Here you can already enjoy the spectacular scene of Cordova's mangroves and the view of Cebu City South at the second floor. This is also where we got to learn about the different species of mangroves and their benefits to the environment.
Cordova is the home of 14 species. The most dominant here in Cordova are the Abyssinia marina called bungalon, and the next is the Rhyposura bucronata, local name as bakhaw. Ang atong pagbalansi sa atong ecosystem, ang mangroves, dako kayog kayuhan, labi na pag-arising sa atong urbanization, labi na pagtukod sa 8.5 bridge gikan sa Cebu to Mactan Island. Kani nga to ang pagtukod sa Taytayan, walay nadaot nga mangrove. Kay ang gampingan yun sa ato ang municipality of Cordova.
Ang atong mangrove karon nakatabang siya tungod sa atong erosion control. So kung natay mga bagyo nga moabot, no, part of disaster, katalag man sa bagyo, mao ni siya mopugong kaniyang mga gamot, no, para dili mo dahili ang mga yuta. No, makita nato, no, mapugong gyud siya. Kaduha niya ikatabang sa ato ang mangrove, mao ni siya ang gitawag og propagation fish. So ari ang mga isda, no, magtago-tago ra sila. Ana sila magpuyo, mangitlog. Ikatulo mo ni siya tawag og habitat of wildlife. So magpuyo gyapon mo nilang tirahan o balay. And last but not the least, ang gitabang sa atong mangrove is katabang siya sa atong coastal protection, no? So makita nato din dapita ang mga mangrove na ayo siya dapit sa baybayon, pugong na siya sa bawd nga dagko, especially katong mga anod nga katong mga hugaw, no? Mapugong siya.
We then hopped on to the motorbangkas to enjoy the scenery of the lush mangroves in barangays Dayas, Buagsong, and Katarman. Welcome to our first stop, the bird sanctuary of Cordova, Pugadlawin. Pugadlawin in Barangay Dayas was such a wonderful sight because we got to see different bird species perched on mangrove branches up close. They would transfer from one area to another in groups, and it was so amazing to observe them in their natural habitat.
Kung hilom lang gyud kayo, you will hear the sounds, the singing of the birds, the lullaby of the leaves. Mao na siya nga sing with the mangroves.
We passed by Bacau Paradise in Barangay Buagsong and then proceeded to Catarman Lagoon. Here, everything was so beautiful and serene, it inspired me to literally sing with the mangroves.
Kanta kami?
Yun na, nauna ako kung Kaya mo ko naawa sa tanan akong spiyas ka-shoot ka. Ikaw!
Like the fog has lifted, and at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is new. Next stop was the white sand strip of Bantayan Bay Sandbar, still in Barangay Catarman. The water here is crystal clear, which makes it a favorite swimming spot of locals who'd usually take shelter under nearby mangroves. And take note, there is no entrance fee to the area. However, everyone is reminded to keep the place clean to maintain its beauty.
In the public beach areas, please ayaw kanang kalimti inyuhang mga basura. Please bring it back always, and kamo na mag igo asa ninyo ilabay sa mas maayo malabay sa balay, so they can segregate it also in the house. They have to feel also that we are not sweepers here. So I hope they will not contribute garbages here in our town. They're very welcome, especially in our Centennial Road. We have food park there, but please bring your garbages back to your car or to your house.
Our tour was capped with a yummy seafood meal on board one of their floating cottages.
We hope that we've given you enough reasons to come and explore the beautiful town of Cordova, and at the same time have been reminded of the importance of environmental protection to help preserve the tourism attraction sites here in the country. Once again, this has been Andrea Pateña-Matheu for My Destination.